I welcome to the Daily Adrenaline Shot. Today, we embark on a journey to one of the most mysterious and remote places on Earth, Antarctica. The name alone sends chills down your spine. Imagine a continent larger than Europe, covered in ice. That's Antarctica for you. It's the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth. For centuries, this frozen wasteland has captivated explorers and dreamers alike. Its harsh beauty is unmatched. Its secrets untold, a massive landmass at the bottom of the world, largely unexplored. What could be hiding beneath those miles of ice? The possibilities are endless, but Antarctica isn't just a blank white canvas. It's a living, breathing ecosystem home to unique wildlife and extreme weather. It's also a hotbed of scientific research. From climate studies to astronomy, Antarctica is a natural laboratory. Yet, for all we know about it, there's so much more we don't. Could there be more to Antarctica than meets the eye? Ancient civilizations, alien bases, secret government facilities? These are the questions that keep conspiracy theorists up at night. A land of extremes, geography and climate. Antarctica is a continent of superlatives. It's big, really big. We're talking about 5.5 million square miles of land. That's about 1.5 times the size of the United States. But unlike the US, 98% of Antarctica is covered in ice. This ice averages over a mile thick. Now let's talk about the cold. Antarctica holds the record for the lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth. How cold? Try minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. But it's not just the cold. Antarctica is also the driest continent. Some areas haven't seen rain in millions of years. It's technically a desert. The continent is divided by the Transantarctic Mountains. They stretch for 2,200 miles across the continent. Antarctica holds 90% of the world's ice. If all that ice melted, global sea levels would rise by about 200 feet. Its fate is tied to the fate of the entire planet. Life on the edge, Antarctic wildlife. You might think Antarctica is a lifeless wasteland, but you'd be wrong. Life finds a way, even in the harshest conditions, and Antarctica is teeming with unique wildlife. Let's start with the stars of the show, penguins. These tuxedo-clad birds are the face of Antarctica. Then there are the seals. Weddell seals, leopard seals, and the massive elephant seals. And let's not forget about the whales. Human footprints on the ice, research and exploration. Humans have been fascinated by Antarctica for centuries. Since then, exploration has been constant. But today's explorers are different. They're scientists, researchers and support staff. Currently, there are about 70 permanent research stations in Antarctica. These are run by 29 countries. Not all research in Antarctica is public. Beneath the surface myths and legends. Antarctica isn't just ice and penguins. It's a land steeped in mystery. Legends and myths swirl around it like a blizzard. Some of these stories are ancient, others are more recent, but they all add to the continent's mystique. Let's dive into some of the most intriguing ones. First, there's the legend of Atlantis. Some believe it's buried under Antarctic ice. The theory goes that Antarctica was once further north. It was home to an advanced civilization. Then a pole shift occurred. The continent froze over. Atlantis was lost. Sounds far-fetched? Maybe. But remember, Antarctica wasn't always frozen. Then there's the Nazi connection. During World War II, the Nazis sent expeditions to Antarctica. Some say they were looking for a base. Alien whispers, UFO sightings and conspiracy theories. Let's talk about UFOs, unidentified flying objects. They've been reported all over the world, but Antarctica, it's a hotspot. Think about it, it's remote, sparsely populated, perfect for secret activities, and the reports are numerous. Strange lights in the sky, disc-shaped objects hovering over research stations, even claims of massive structures buried in the ice. One of the most famous incidents occurred in 1965. British scientists and Chilean military personnel reported seeing flying saucers. They described them as metallic discs that moved at incredible speeds. The sightings lasted for several days. Were these experimental aircraft or something more extraterrestrial? But it's not just sightings. Some conspiracy theorists claim there's an active alien presence in Antarctica. They point to satellite images showing strange anomalies, perfectly geometric shapes in the ice, massive entrances to underground facilities, even reports of no-fly zones enforced by unknown authorities. The Navy officer's tale, a shocking discovery. Now let's dive into one of the most intriguing stories to come out of Antarctica. It involves a US Navy officer named Brian O'Brien. In 1946, O'Brien was part of Operation High Jump. This was a massive military expedition to Antarctica. Its official purpose, scientific research, but some say there was more to it. According to O'Brien's account, which only came to light years later, he made a shocking discovery. While flying over the continent, he spotted something unusual, an octagonal structure partially buried in the ice. It was massive, and it definitely wasn't natural. O'Brien reported it to his superiors. But that's where things get murky. O'Brien claims he was sworn to secrecy. The discovery was classified. He was told never to speak of it again, but years later, on his deathbed, he shared his story. Was O'Brien telling the truth, or was this the fabrication of a dying man? Hidden bases and secret operations. Now let's talk about something really intriguing, hidden bases in Antarctica. It sounds like something out of a spy movie, right? But there are those who swear it's true. They claim that beneath the ice, away from prying eyes, secret operations are underway. But who's behind them, and what are they up to? Some theories point to government agencies, the CIA, NSA, or even more secretive organizations. They say these agencies use the cover of scientific research to mask their true activities. What kind of activities? Well, that's where it gets interesting. Some suggest advanced weapons testing. Others talk about reverse engineering alien technology. Wild stuff, I know. But in a place as remote as Antarctica, who's to say what's possible? But it's not just government agencies in the spotlight. There are whispers about private corporations too, tech giants and aerospace companies. The theory goes that they're conducting experiments too advanced or too controversial for public knowledge. Artificial intelligence. The Hollow Earth theory, Antarctica's underground world. Now let's dive into one of the most fascinating theories about Antarctica, the Hollow Earth theory. It's a wild one, folks, but stick with me. This theory suggests that our planet isn't solid, instead it's hollow. And the entrances, they're at the poles, including Antarctica. According to believers, there's a whole world inside our world, an inner Earth, if you will. They say it's inhabited by advanced civilizations. Some even claim these inner Earth dwellers are the descendants of ancient societies like Atlantis or Lemuria. Sounds crazy, right? But here's where it gets interesting. Proponents of this theory point to certain anomalies in Antarctica. Unexplained heat signatures detected by satellites, strange magnetic disturbances, even reports of warm, ice-free areas in the middle of the frozen continent. Uncharted mysteries. The future of Antarctic exploration. As we look to the future, Antarctica remains a land of mystery and potential. Despite all our technology, much of the continent remains unexplored. Vast areas beneath the ice are still uncharted. Who knows what secrets they hold? Ancient ruins, alien artifacts, or maybe just more ice. But the point is, we don't know. And that's exciting. Scientific exploration of Antarctica continues to yield surprises. In recent years, researchers have discovered underground lakes, massive cave systems, even evidence of ancient forests. Each discovery opens up new questions, new possibilities. It's a reminder that our planet still has secrets to reveal, and Antarctica might be the key to unlocking them. But it's not just about what's under the ice. Climate change is reshaping Antarctica. As the ice melts, new areas are being exposed. This could lead to incredible discoveries, but it also raises concerns at the same time. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Antarctica's secrets. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Daily Adrenaline Shot YouTube channel for more stories from the world of exploration, discovery and secrets. This channel spreads no hatred, but love and facts only. See you again with another interesting topic. Till then, bye.